welcome back to my channel, thegoddessstyle.com. I'm Ernie Rosa Crow, the creator of the Belly Goddess Dance Therapy. Now, I'm really sorry that I've messed up big time when I was filming in Dubai. I didn't realize that the wind was so much stronger in the background. And then I thought I heard in my ears, and the video was capturing way too much wind that whatever I was teaching in the background, I couldn't really get rid of the sound of the wind. So now I have to start all over again. So today I am going to share with you a technique called the side hip thrust, okay? And you're gonna hear things like Fiat, you're gonna hear like BMW, and you're gonna hear Rolls-Royce. It's got to do with cars and the strength you need to close those expensive or much cheaper cars. Okay, so the movement today involves mostly the lower body. So you're going to be working your hips, you're going to be working your thighs, and a little bit of your calves, depending on whether we drop down or we stay, you know, straight kneed. Okay, so for you who are new to my channel, you haven't been here before, go on then, click subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to click like at the end, and do leave me a comment, because every Friday I try to share a goddess dance technique, and every Tuesday I try to put out either a review or lifestyle, my travel or whatever, and I might go and put in a little travel vlogs once in a while. So yeah, I'm all about the travel, all about the goddess living, but also don't forget, it's all about making you into a goddess. Coming right up. Okay, for this movement, it involves only your hips and the strength so in your legs. Okay, so this is what the hip thrust look like. You're gonna bend your knees slightly, and you're gonna push your hips to the side, and you're gonna stretch out the leg that is working, and this is the resting leg. The knee slightly bends forward, so one side and the other. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. You're just gonna be jiggling your tummy a little bit, you're gonna be jiggling your bum a little bit as you do this side hip thrust. Now we're gonna go with the version 1, which is closing the Fiat car door. Okay, this one, your hip is going to go a little bit more gently to the side. So this is what I always tell my students. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2. You're still going to be engaging your core. Remember, it's always about tucking in your pelvis and engaging your core. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the Fiat. Step number 2 is the BMW. They are slightly heavier cars, they're slightly stronger, sturdier built, so you're going to need a lot more strength when you push the car door. Imagine your hands are full, you're holding the grocery, you need to close your BMW car door, you're going to use your hips, so this time you're going to make it a little bit stronger with a bit more kick. You're going to hold it like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, when you're closing the car, your thighs here, you're going to feel the flex, the tension in your thigh muscle. Okay, the leg that's being pushing out is going to be relaxed. So it's going to be pushing this way, and this one is just relaxed. Okay, so again, BMW, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to go to the Rolls-Royce or the Maybach, whichever you prefer. What is your luxury car? Okay, so this time we're going to go a little bit harder. Imagine your hands are full again. You're going to push with as much energy. You're going to imagine a ball of light, a fireball from the deepest part of your womanhood. You're going to throw that fire out. So you're going to go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now all together, between the first, the second, and the third is 1, 2. This is the Fiat, and then the BMW, and the Rolls-Royce. Stronger. And when I do the Rolls-Royce, because it's so much stronger, you're gonna lift up your knee and your foot above the ground as you take each hip thrust. Right? So I'm gonna go back a little bit. You can see it's almost like I'm marching, but my knees stay slightly bent. Okay? So you can go from one side, so you can go Maybach, Maybach, Maybach to Fiat, Fiat, Fiat. Okay, how about to BMW, BMW, BMW to Maybach, Maybach, Maybach. Right? So we're gonna take, let's say, 8 steps forward with a Fiat. Okay, you're gonna start with your right leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go back with the BMW. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go forward now with the Rolls Royce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see it's a lot harder. I am using a lot more energy, a lot more power from my upper abdominal muscle and from my core. You also might feel it in your lower back, just a tad bit, but also in your thighs, because I do not keep my knee straight. Okay, do this, because then you're going to be locking your knee all the time, which is really, really bad for your joints. You're going to be bending it slightly, and you're going to go side to side. It's almost like you're swinging your hips. In the Fiat position, you are just swinging your hips side to side. Okay, you can go to the side. So I'm going to go this way before I pull into my pull. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now Maybach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you can go back again. BMW. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. Rolls Royce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can go diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, on the spot. Fiat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with this movement, the beauty of it is you can even make it even harder by going low, kind of like you're doing your squats. Okay, so something like this. You're gonna swing your hips like the Fiat, and you're gonna tuck in your pelvis, hold in your muscles, and you're gonna go lower and lower and lower and up again. Okay, from this side again, lower, 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 and up, up, up. See? Fiat, 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 down, 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 and up. To go on the Rolls Royce is a little bit harder to go down because you're going to take so much energy, but I can show you anyway. It's, okay, Rolls Royce, Rolls Royce, Rolls Royce, down, down, down. But it's not as feminine because we're kind of going down. It's an equidistant, it's like a gentle move. You want to keep the movement gentle. Did you get all that? Is it easy? Now, I'm going to share it with you with a little fun song and dance in the end. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.